Welcome in my YouTube channel. Now, this problem is taken from the CSIR net, which is asked in November net exam 2020, and this particularly taken from the complex analysis problem. Okay, and the weightage of this problem is 4.75 mark. 4.75 and asked in CSIR net 2020, which is held in November because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so without wasting, let us go on the problem. What does this problem tell us, and what does this problem ask us to find? Okay, n is some natural number is assumed and r is nothing but any real number greater than 1. Okay, whichever real number one may pick, provided that should be greater than 1. Okay, and z theta is nothing but r e to power iota theta, and provided that theta lies between closed from 0 and open from 2 pi, except at 2 pi theta varies. Okay, in this interval. Now there is given the set which contains all those values of theta from this set, which theta satisfies this equation. Okay, all those theta set contains all those values of theta from this interval which satisfies this equation. Okay, now we are asked which of the following set is the correct one. Is option 1 is correct? Option 1 says that theta contains all those values, corresponds the value of theta to the cos n is 1. Okay, option 2 says that theta contains all those values from the given interval, only those values of theta corresponds where sine gives 1, all those values of theta where sine gives 1. Okay, and for third option sin n theta and cos n theta and sin n theta. Okay, so these are the option. Now how do we approach this problem? Okay, our main task is how to approach, how do we think. Okay, this is very easy question and only asked us to investigate or analysis this equation. Okay, for this equation let us find out this inequality. First let me find out here, friends. Nothing. Before doing this question, let me inform you about modulus of some complex number. Okay, modulus of some complex number, let me call complex is a plus ib. Okay, the modulus of the complex number z equal a plus ib is nothing but the square root of the modulus is nothing but the square root of the sum of their squares. Okay, this is the real definition of the modulus of the complex number. Okay, modulus of the complex number, square of the real part as well as the square of the imaginary part and their whole square root. Okay, so let us go on this equation. Let me first, since we have given the value of z theta is r e to power iota theta, now we have to find out this equation. We have to find out which values of theta for which this equations remains equal. These are equations satisfied. Okay, which values of theta corresponds to the equations satisfied. Okay, so left hand side is z theta to power n plus 1 mod. Okay, since z theta is nothing but r e to power iota theta and its power n is nothing but r to power n and e I to power n theta. Okay, clearly you know about this, and this is what rn cos n theta plus rn iota sin n theta, and since we know that this is plus 1, and let me write here plus 1, this is modulus, let me take modulus. After taking the modulus, this becomes, since after taking modulus this is a, r n cos n theta plus 1 is a, because this is real and the sum of this, and this is real part and this is imaginary part. Okay, this is my a, rn cos n theta plus 1 is my a, and rn sin n theta is my b. Okay, so apply this formula here. What do we get? Rn cos n theta plus 1 to power 2 plus rn sin n theta to power 2 whole square root. Okay, this is just the definition. Okay, so now let us find out right hand side. My right hand side is nothing but z theta mod modulus of the z of theta to power n minus 1. Okay, since I know that we have given the value of z theta equal r e to power iota theta, taking modulus it's nothing but r. Okay, since because modulus of e to power iota theta is 1. Okay, by this way. Okay, and since we have to taken the power z of theta modulus power n is nothing but r to power n, and minus 1 is nothing r to power n minus 1. Okay, clearly, so I have find out the value of z theta to power n minus 1. So this is what rn minus 1. Okay, now equating left hand side and right hand side, equating left hand side and right hand side. Okay, after equating I get, since my left hand side is this. Okay, so left hand side is this, so let me square both sides, then square root will be cancelled and there is square in right hand side. Okay, so what do I get? Rn cos n theta plus 1 to power 2 plus Rn sin n theta 2 equal Rn minus 1 to power 2. Okay, so this is my whole solving. Okay, so now let me open the square root r2n. Okay, this is cos square n theta plus 1 a plus b, a square plus b square plus twice of the product of ab cos n theta, and here as well r2n sin square n theta. Okay, so equal to r2n plus 1 minus 2 rn. Okay, is means squares. Okay, so here I know that r2n and cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square n theta plus sin square n theta. Okay, these two terms I have combined here, plus 1 twice of rn cos n theta equal to r2n plus 1 minus 2 rn. Okay, since this becomes 1. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so this become r2n plus 2 rn cos n theta is nothing but r2n plus 1 minus 2 rn. Okay, this will be avoid. Okay, so my only remaining portion 2 of rn cos n theta equal minus 2 rn. Okay, and which implies that cos n theta is nothing but minus 1. So my theta satisfies all those value for which cos theta n theta gives me minus 1. Okay, now let us go. We can also solve further, but we have no need to solve further. Please try yourself to solve further and find out value of theta, please sir. But we are only solve till here. Okay, in the problem, but I suggest you to solve the value of theta. Okay, so option first says that cos n theta equal 1, second says sin theta, but what do I get? Cos n theta equal minus 1. So option third is correct and all options are wrong. Okay, only option third is going to be true. Okay, this is the way to solve the problem. Okay, this is asked in CSIR net November 2020 exam, is of 4.75 mark. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please share as much as you can, and subscribe and like, and press the bell icon so you will get notified. You will be got notified whenever I upload another video. Okay, I am solving the complex analysis series now. So thanks for watching the video.